because it's like the way I understand things, or the way I see it is like, so when we incarnate, we have our own personal things that we're working on. So like you come in and you have like, I want to work on this, I want to heal this, I want to experience this, I want to create this. So you have your own personal list, and then you also come in with like your mission, like, okay, and as like part of this period of time in history, like I want to contribute to XYZ, I want to do this, I want to help this situation or these people, like that's your mission. Your For some people it's an outer, so for some people it's all internal. It's like that's a much deeper conversation, but for you it feels very much like, and obviously they're connected, because you're like, how do I be the best human, and then how do I create the best society for humans?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
you know so like both things are kind of happening, but I feel like the emphasis, at least right now, definitely until the second half of the year, is this deeper internal stuff of,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
yeah, like clearing out the cobwebs, the residue, getting new insights of how this
Yeah.
works. Also